Hello, welcome to another FinApp tutorial session. In this video, it's a very short video. We will take a look at the fund manager section under the fund research in the admin panel. Okay, so the use case of this particular tab is to look at the funds which are being managed by a respective fund manager. So we've already covered in the previous videos in terms of how to go ahead and, let's say, select a better fund by using multiple parameters, such as price to earnings ratio, the expense ratios, and risk parameters, return parameters, and all of that, conditions. We get to the funds of the choice. We will also be able to see the fund managers there. But over here, you can just search by your favorite fund manager name. So, for example, I just searched by Chirag, and I picked up Chirag of HDFC. You are now able to see all the funds which are being managed by Chirag here. HDFC Children's Fund, Mid Cap, and Small Cap Fund. Okay. You will also be able to see the complete data which are being populated for these three funds. Now, how is it going to be really helpful? So, for example, if I just give certain understanding for you, you will, let's say, you come to scheme correlation, you will actually be able to see the kind of return correlation that the fund manager has made for the respective fund. So we'll be able to sort of know that how his funds have actually been moving with respect to the NAV movement. From a correlation perspective, how his funds have actually been, performing over a period of time, in the form of trailing returns, annual returns, biannual returns, quarterly returns, all of that particular thing. You will also be able to see the portfolios. It is a very similar uniform structure that we have kept it, as far as the UI UX is concerned. Now, when you come to ranking, you will also be able to see that, how has this fund ranked as compared to the different category, and what is the best return, average return, worst returns. All of that particular information we will be able to sort of see. So the next time when you actually make a judgment on the funds and you sort of know that a particular fund manager is managing that, in order to gauge a little more background about that particular fund, do come to the fund manager section and also check out not just about the funds that you are trying to recommend, but also the other funds which are being managed by the same fund manager, so that you have a larger perspective. As always, we are always happy in terms of, assisting you on your research requirements, and that's one of the unique thing that we sort of put forward in FinApp along with the software. So if you have any doubts or queries, please do get in touch with your relationship manager. Always happy to help. Thank you for watching.